Today I'm going to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11. There are a number of Windows shortcut keys that can really make your life easier. I'm going to go through a couple. Let's say, for example, I want to select this thing, and I want to now select everything. I use Control A, which is select all. Of course, we know that Control C is copy and Control V is paste. But did we know that the Windows key and V actually brings up this box? So this basically will give you emojis. It will also give you stickers. It will give you GIFs. It will give you whatever these things are. And then it also gives you a clipboard, which you can store multiple items of text as well as image. Yes, quite amazing. There are a bunch of other things as well, and I'm going to show you exactly every single one of them. Quite simply, we're going to go in over here. I will leave a link to this down in the description of this video. This is from Microsoft Support. It gives you Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 shortcut keys. So if you go down over here, you'll see that there are some categories. So we've got Windows Copilot, text editing, desktop, and other general Windows shortcuts. Every single one of these are categories. Once you click on it, it'll open it up. And as you can see, this is a list of all the shortcuts that are available on Windows. You can thank me in the comments section.